Right, so this question needs us to know what the cos curve looks like, what the graph of cos x looks like. Now I know, so I know it is this one just here, it is A. The cos curve, it's a continuous curve. It looks like this. This number is 1 and it dips down here to -1, and it has, that is 90, then this minimum is at 180, and then back here again it's 270, and then it peaks again at 360. So I know the cos curve really well, so I can identify it's A. B actually is what the start of the sine curve looks like. So question 17 is working out how much it's going to take for this fridge to be delivered. So I'm going to do a little table here to help me figure out the delivery cost. So we are given that it's for 50 miles the delivery charge is £9. So I'm given that, so I've got to work out how much it's going to charge, given that Naz lives 24 miles away from the shop. Now 24 is in the 3 times table, and so is 15. So what I'm going to do is I am going to work out how much it is for 3 miles. Now to do that, I'm going to divide obviously by 5. So I've got to work out 9 divided by 5. Now we don't have a calculator, so I'm going to do it using equivalent fractions. There are other ways. So 9 divided by 5 is equivalent to 18 divided by 10, which is 1.8. So I know that 3 miles costs £1.80. But Naz lives 24 miles away. Now, how many 3s in 24? 8. So what I've got to do is I've got to multiply the 3 miles cost by 8. Again, no calculator. So I've got to do 1.8 times by 8. So if you do 1 times 8, and then if you do the 0.8 times 8, and then if you add them together, the answer is 14.4. So it's going to cost £14.40 to deliver this fridge. Is the total cost more than 200? Well, I'm running out of space here, but I know the fridge is costing £189. I know the delivery charge now is £14.40. So if I really carefully add up these two values, it'll tell me how much it's going to cost all in. So 9 add 4 gives me 13, carry 1, 0, carry 1. Okay, so it's going to cost £203.40p. So let's make sure we've answered the question. Is the total cost more than 200? Yep.